Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So Teddy's my cameraman, ain't ya? Yeah, you're my cameraman. Okay, pause it when we get to your door.
Alright then.
But make sure that no one sees our door number.
Right.
Because people can always take screenshots and then zoom in.
Yeah.
So be careful.
But at least they don't know, mate. Like,
Where we actually live.
yeah.
Right.
So that's good.
Ain't like we live in
That's very good.
ain't like we live in London.
Yeah. Man, it's really cool here because I don't know. Just feels.
Pause it.
Ew, jeez. Right.
You okay?
Say face reveal.
Okay,
Face reveal time.
gonna do a face reveal quick.
Yes.
There's him. There's him.
Hello.
Hi, that's Teddy.
And we got to go for a sleepover, by the way.
We get sleepover. Okay, let's go. Generation.
Wait, guys. I am not wearing a mask. I am not wearing a mask because I'm sick.
He's just wearing a mask, so then, because he thinks the mask will make you guys not recognise him, sort of.
Yeah, because like
Because that's what most YouTubers do.
I am camera shy.
Yeah.
Don't like it. I am cool. With
I think you might get used to cameras if you do it more often.
Yeah.
So yeah. Oh, it's bright. Let's go.
But I just look better with mask.
I jumped down 3 steps while I landed on the first step. Pause camera.